Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 9 to 15th of August 2020. Thank you so much guys for your liking, subscribing and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Sagittarius, let's start your reading. This is for the Sagittarius people. Okay, so let's start your reading, Sagittarius. This is for the Sagittarius people. Okay. Let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Sagittarius people from 9 to 15th of August 2020. King of Swords. Okay, so maybe this is the energy you are having right now, or maybe you are dealing with an air sign: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ace of Cups, Star, Aquarius, Moon, Pisces, Cancer, Seven of Swords, Five of Swords. Okay, Knight of Wands. Okay. This is your energy, Sagittarius, Knight of Wands. Hermit, Virgo is here, Three of Pentacles and Fool. So Aries, Virgo, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Pisces, Cancer and you as well. Yeah, Cancer is here because bottom of the deck we have Chariot. So I'm feeling that Sagittarius, you are very confident right now because King of Swords, the energy you're carrying right now, you're not afraid of saying truth. You are not afraid of listening. Okay, someone wants communication with you and you just want truth. Yeah, because you know that this person has made the situation very tough before in the past by not speaking the truth with you or to you, and that's why if you want communication with this person, yeah, like you are maybe sending this intention to this person that if you want to communicate with me, so you have to be truthful. Wow, it's really direct. Okay, with the Ace of Cups, Star and the Moon energy, I'm feeling that whoever you're dealing with, they were very afraid of the commitment before, but now they want a second opportunity with you. They want a very second chance with you. With this Star card, in love, a new opportunity with you in love. Okay, maybe they have gone through some kind of healing because Star is here. With the Seven of Swords, with the Five of Swords and the Knight of Wands, I'm feeling that this person is a little bit immature, or they just want intimacy with you, and they want it with you at any cost. See, by playing games, by dishonesty, by ego things, by manipulating you. Yeah, all kinds of lower vibration energy you can think about this person, but they just want intimacy with you, nothing else. I'm feeling okay with this Seven of Swords and the Five of Swords with the Knight of Wands. I'm feeling that this person just want to win you at any cost, like by using the wrong means, the wrongdoings, the wrong things, the wrong intentions. Yeah, and they now have to answer the things they have done. Yeah, this is the time for results. Yeah, I'm feeling this kind of energy. Like this person is now going through some kind of dark night or the tower moment, something like that, and they want to resolve things with you. See, Hermit, Three of Pentacles and Fool. Yeah, they have gone through something and now they realize that yeah, I have done wrong with Sagi and I am going to say sorry and I'm going to collaborate with them, and if they will accept me, like they're sitting and thinking about you and talking to themselves that if Saji will accept my offer, I will definitely put in the work, and then they will see that I am changed person now. Okay, let's see what is this King of Swords here. See if they are really changed or not. Let's see. King of Swords for the Sagittarius, please. King of Swords for the Sagittarius, please. Whoa. Okay, already 4 cards. King of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Swords, yeah, 5 of Pentacles. Wow. See, whoever you're dealing with, maybe a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, Sagittarius. I'm feeling that this person didn't reveal their feelings towards you in the past. Wow. Now they really want to change that. Like, they're wishing for changing that moments for you, because you were very available to them at that moment in time. Like, you were sharing your emotions, but they were not. See, you were sharing your feelings towards them, that yeah, we both have something special, so we have to commit to ourselves, we have to be in the commitment, we have to be in the marriage, long-term partnership. These are the things you were telling to this person in the past, but they were like closed off, because King of Cups they love you, they were loving you at that time, they had love for you at that time in the past, but they didn't reveal their love to you. They didn't accept their okay, they didn't. If you had made any offer to this person, they didn't accept that offer, and they didn't also reveal you their feelings, because they don't know how to reveal, and now they are wishing to change this outcome for you. Okay, and now they are feeling like this, like you have gone through this kind of pain. 3 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, like, because you have seen something very special in their eyes, and they didn't tell you the right thing. Yeah, now their experience is this kind of thing because of their deeds. So I'm feeling that they really want the situation to change for both of you. Wheel of Fortune is here. So yeah, they are learning now how to communicate about their feelings. What is the Star here? Emperor, 6 of Swords, 3 of Wands. Yeah, okay, I'm feeling for you, Sagittarius, you don't care about this person right now. Yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting. You are busy to build up your empire, and you think that this is the right time to focus on your work, on your pentacles, on your money, on your stability, and that's why you are moving forward and you are going with the flow. You're working on yourself, on your work space. Yeah, you are going with the flow. You have high expectations from the universe, that yeah, universe will give you the right person at the right time. Wow. This is beautiful. What is this 5 of Swords here? Is this person changed now? Because they are feeling left out in the cold by you. 2 of Pentacles, Sun, 9 of Pentacles. Okay. For some of you, I'm feeling that this person is very self-centered, a little bit, with the Sun card and the 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, and maybe they were juggling between you and someone else before in the past, and that's why you have walked away. And now this person is again juggling to tell you the truth, that they have feelings for you. Yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting. You are feeling very abundant, very abundant. See, 9 of Pentacles, here you are. Beautiful. What is the Fool here? because this person has gone through something with the Hermit. Six of Cups, transformation, Nine of Wands. Okay, yeah, this person really praying for the outcome to change, because you have your guard up, Sagittarius. They are wishing, they are praying to the universe, they are saying to the universe that please tell to the Sagittarius that I am changed now. They need to put their guard down. I am very changed now. We are soulmates, we have to be together. So yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting. You have your guard up, you are very busy in your stability, you just don't want any kind of BS of the past, and you are not trusting this person with the Seven of Swords and the Five of Swords energy present here, because you think that this person is very dishonest and they are not loyal with you. So that's why, yeah, you just don't want anything with this person. So this is I have for you, Sagittarius. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you like what I do. And yeah guys, bye.